Today, the Smith brothers head to a local farm and exercise the farm-to-table lifestyle. Travis plays with a lettuce picker, we ride some really weird surfboards and shred the gnar, then we put that nutritious food in our tummies. Enjoy the episode of Eat Local.
Let's do this. Doing an email right now, getting my day started.
Let's go. Let's go get healthy. We're going to Diamond Island Farms. It's a good name.
The weather is rainy. Epic chance of rainbows.
Perfect for gardening.
Perfect
Right,
for plant growing.
This is good kale conditions.
Kale is gonna be yanking offshore. Perfect conditions. So apparently we were told to bring shoes because picking lettuce is dangerous.
Yeah, I guess we're about to find out. Travis is so anti-shoes, and he'll pee anywhere in public too.
What does that have to do with
You're
picking
right.
lettuce?
Just talking about
I'm not gonna pee on the lettuce, Alex.
You never know. Keep your lettuce hidden from Travis.
I'm gonna try to not wear shoes.
You might pick your toes then with the lettuce picker.
Travis, what kind of tree is that?
Sunrise shack tree.
Good answer.
How's it going? We're here on the north shore of Oahu and we're at Diamond Island Farms here with our friend Carrie. We're gonna learn about the farm to table method of life. We love living from the land. You know, you get the most nutrients that way. It just feels the best. It's the best for the environment. You're supporting local. This is gonna be a really cool experience. My goal in life is to have this at my house. We're gonna learn from Carrie. He's gonna be our shaman, show us all the local foods, and should be interesting.
This is how we've been eating for thousands of years, and to kind of honor that rhythm and to grow the plants from the seeds and then harvest them and bring it right to your plate that day and eat it is the optimal way to eat and to live your life.
So alive.
Yeah, and we just ate some lettuce already. You feel the energy pumping
Feel it
through us.
coursing through me.
See it?
That's good. The lettuce
Yeah,
power.
so-
Let's get into it.
Yeah, let's do it. Let's explore.
Is that the toe cutter right there?
Yeah, it is.
So what do you do with this machine?
You hook it up to a drill, battery-powered drill, and you just give the greens a haircut, basically.
Oh, gnarly.
So it's pretty fun. There,
Fresh.
a couple pounds of lettuce right there.
Cool.
That's
You
a
just
bad
cut it
idea.
and then it grows right back. Just like money grows on trees, guys.
I feel like you just need to I don't know if that's a tempter. Always wanted to do that. Hey, Koa, watch out. Oh my God.
I would go get where Koa just ate.
Oh, perfect. So I probably have some lettuce in my teeth because I was just eating from this beautiful garden, but it is pretty amazing. We give back to this garden by giving all of our compost. I guess coffee grounds are really good for compost. We've actually bought from this garden too. The kale that's in our jungle matcha bowl is from this garden right here. We try to use local whenever we can. Look at this, this is amazing. Why wouldn't you want to eat from this right here? The birds got it before us. Still eat the other half. I take a little bite out of that. Wow, look at that.
This is golden.
So this is turmeric. It's a root, so this is like how it looks like this. It's a full superfood. It's really amazing. One of the best things for it, takes down inflammation. So inflammation causes diseases, causes soreness, causes illness. So to keep your inflammation down in your life is like how you'll be feeling really good, really loose, not sore. All you gotta do is eat some of this every day. See that? It's really orange. I just ate some dirty turmeric, but a little dirt can't hurt anyone.
moving into the depths of the garden.
Yeah, let's go
exciting.
harvest a meal here.
Let's go get the hardy stuff.
I have some lily koi trellis comboed with papaya. The papaya has green spot virus, so that's going soon.
So look at this. This is just broccoli growing right out of the top here. Cool. Close to cutting my finger off. Look at that.
You're definitely good.
Gosh.
Best broccoli I've ever had.
Eating it raw like that?
Just straight.
Mmm.
And do they grow another one, or
kinda
is that pow
sweet.
now?
Nice.
A little Pokemon ball.
We're really killing it right now on how much kale we have.
Eggplant. Wow.
Oh, look at that big boy. This is gold right here. Oh.
Eggplant emoji right there.
You like baba ganoush?
I think we have enough for a good meal. What do you guys think?
You're the chef.
More
Excited to hear what
We
you.
got more than enough.
Yeah.
Just take handfuls of greens and throw them in the water. Dead meat, whatever, but
Yeah, but
we just put it
it's
on
a washer.
You just put it on spin cycle.
this is how they dry the lettuce. Dryer. It's like a giant salad spinner. I've never thought about that before. We're trying not to use plastic bags. It's just so convenient to use plastic, you know? But we got this little Sunrise Shack merch bag. You can put whatever you want in it, and it's like a little backpack. So today we're filling our greens up with it and taking it home.
Because today is a good day.
That was epic. Stoked we got to check out his farm, and I'm like full off of lettuce right now. I feel like let's go work up an appetite, maybe go for a surf.
Yeah, let's go check it out.
It's looking like summertime is coming in hot on us, but I feel like I have the right tools to make this fun.
Here you got some fun boards.
I got some weird boards. We're gonna get weird.
Some weird rippers.
You want to do some sort of challenge for like to wash the dishes or something?
Let's have a heat, and Travis should be in it.
Yeah.
Or just me and you.
No, I think Travis should be in it because he's good at doing dishes.
We want him to wash the dishes. Alright, so
But yeah, look at, there's no one out. The cool thing about Hawaii this time of year is like there's no one really around. There's no Triple Crown. There's no Pipe Master.
don't tell anyone that.
Well, it's
Secret.
December.
Without laughs, we're out there. It's gonna get weird.
It's a little experiment right here. I worked with Maury and RS on it. It's from a wake skate kind of vibe. We'll call it the Hammerhead. It's a 5.0, 4-fin, weird tail, weird nose, concave deck, super fun. We'll see. I'm really excited to see how it goes. Also,
Break it down, Ka.
it's a 5.0. It's supposed to be like kind of like a skimboard. It's got these crazy sharp rails all the way to the top. So it's kind of like a Tom Curran skimboard kind of vibe. Got a little bit of a twin fin setup.
This one is a custom model that Costco made for me. It's just in every Costco there is, but this one's special for me. Has really good rocker. I love to be on the nose. The slick is amazing. It also has really good sand on the rails, and I think it's gonna be the best board out of any of these boards today.
That thing has good concave.
Yeah, I really like it.
What's your strategy out there?
So I'm gonna try to sit way further out the back and aim to run you guys over. Yeah,
The only way he's gonna
that's-
win.
That's my strategy.
Take us out.
smoked. Later has to wash the dishes now. He lost that heat. Travis beat him. He lost.
I mean, I probably won the heat.
Yeah, I mean, you claimed the most land, so how can you say I win, right?
Eric has the most fun.
For real though, these boards are pretty sick. Yeah, they're surfing really like them.
Imagine like a clean wave too.
Oh yeah. Like both of them were good. Which one is better?
I don't know. I've had good rides on both.
Christian said Go won the heat. So.
Yeah?
You definitely won.
But who got third?
He's looking at Travis.
I don't know. We're going by claims. I think Travis got second.
I got third, Slater got fourth. It's all good.
Slater has to do the dishes. Alright, well let's go eat some food. Let's go eat those greens.
Do it.
Go power up.
More lettuce.
Stoked I won the heat there. Welcome to the kitchen. In front of us, we have the spread that we got from the farm, and we are gonna let Alex come up with the idea of what we can make out of this beautiful, fresh food.
It's gonna be a freestyle salad. And
We should definitely do a salad.
Featuring Travis's eggplant, world class eggplant. I think we're gonna do eggplant, turmeric stir fry. We'll just like do something cool with the kale and salad, mix it up into this huge salad, top it off with some walnuts.
I'm gonna
be good.
I'm gonna be a chopper.
You go ahead and chop.
Excellent. Straight in. I think I'm just gonna be the host for a little bit here. What's the goal here in the broccoli? I was recently told that you want a bite-sized piece, so that every bite you fork, it goes into your mouth excellently. What do you think? What do you think about eating this part of the broccoli? I think it's probably got a lot of nooch in it, but I think more like a soup or something. Okay. You could eat this just like this, you know? Yeah, like an apple. Pretty good. Yeah, especially grown straight from the garden.
I'm gonna debone the kale here.
Nice.
Didn't do that, but I'm gonna wait to talk to him.
Okay, how do I find this thing? This hat is fully sustainable.
So something to consider is that every person and every body kind of demands a different diet. And we believe that there isn't one diet that fits all. Some people are vegan, some people are eating meat every day, and that's their diet. We don't judge anyone for their diet. One thing that is a cool tool is to feel what food your body wants before you eat it. So it's kind of like an awareness thing. It's like intuitive eating. Today, I'm looking at the table and I'm like, what looks good to me automatically? It's like, it's orange, you know? So that's the way I eat. Let my intuition like pick up what looks good around me and reach for that. And hopefully it's not ice cream or something like that, but it's a deeper feeling than just like a craving. I think we get exposed to all these packaged foods and processed foods and food like KFC, and that kind of clouds that judgment. You should allow yourself to go towards whatever your body's like pulling you, whatever's pulling your body to it.
What's pulling your body to it? The pull-up bar right now?
What?
You feeling weak? You need a little strength? Need some turmeric. Should we take some? Like a good stance. Do you pull this thing off or what? It's so weird. This thing's trippy. Hello?
How does it smell? Can you smell it?
Oh, just like kind of a typical veggie.
What's going in the salad?
Oh my gosh.
Don't let him pour it.
Like we need more hemp seeds. Go massage that kale. Okay.
Oh, we're about to eat you.
Just gonna let that flavor the dish.
20 minutes. So on top of all this, it's a beautiful day, and now it's time to eat.
It's the best part of the day.
And we're outside in the yard because when you live in Hawaii, why wouldn't you be outside in the yard?
Even if it's raining.
Even if it's raining, it's still
We're
warm.
standing in the rain, and we don't even care.
So yeah,
But,
let's eat.
Yeah, thanks for putting this all together, Alex. This
Yeah, this
definitely
is
looks
amazing.
different.
Thanks for your
You
help.
did it?
What was the first thing you guys went for?
I went
Broccoli.
for the tail just because I spent so much time massaging it. So essentially,
Broccoli.
I think it adds a layer to it, knowing that you picked it and you saw where it came from.
Yeah, it gives
I
it
enjoy it that much more.
gives it a background story, you know? It's like more depth into the food.
Josh, how's that eggplant?
So this is
The
what
eggplant is really, really
turns
good.
into at the end of the day.
You guys want to actually sit down? Let's sit on this rock together.
That was a wrap up to an amazing day. Thank you guys so much for watching. We're super passionate about health and just like seeing how we can get the most out of our lives. So if you like what we're doing and you can vibe with it, subscribe to our channel. And more videos coming soon. Eat some lettuce.